Howdy, y'all. Thanks for stopping in. So, I'm doing a little review. I'm gonna show you a little video of the put together, unboxing, and the setup of the Guide Gear 6x6 elevated pop-up blind. I'm just gonna play the video, kind of talk through it, do a little narration. The shipping from Guide Gear was great. It was super fast. I was blown away. It came in 3 rather large boxes. They weren't incredibly heavy. Like, I was able to move each box by myself. I wouldn't recommend doing it a lot. You'll blow a gasket or something. If you got a buddy, it will surely make the process easier. So we got everything out of the box. We grabbed the instructions, assembled according to the instructions. One thing I will say is don't tighten down the bolts as you go. Things kind of need to move and be adjusted. But at every sort of step, and you'll see that in the instructions, you can pause, go back and tighten all the bolts that you just installed. That made it incredibly easy. Once the platform was all together, it was quite big. As you can see, me and my buddy, we got up on it and tested it. It feels incredibly stable. We threw it in the back of my truck and drug it to the feeder, which was about a quarter mile away from the camp house where we put it together. All in all, we've been using pop-up blinds here at our deer camp for quite a long time. This particular feeder, it was just perfect for this. The feeder set up on a roadway, and where we had our original pop-up blind is kind of in a valley. So it almost felt like the feeder and everything was above your plane of view. And as soon as I saw this from Guide Gear, I decided that this would be perfect for this spot. It's not incredibly tall, but it was tall enough that you can see down onto the feeder and then all the trails that go left and right. The only thing I added was some outdoor carpeting to the bottom. The expanded metal is fairly loud, so I wanted to deaden that as much as possible, and then also keep the wind from blowing up and scenting me. All in all, I'd say it was a hell of a purchase. It's been up this season already. I will be hunting it on my next trip down. So I'll give a little follow-up video and tell you how I like it. But so far, been very impressed. Very impressed with Guide Gear shipping. The instructions, everything was bang up. So so far, I highly recommend it. That's about it. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.